This is a comparison between Wix Studio, which is created for designers and developers, and WordPress. Specifically, we're looking at how their media libraries and image galleries differ and the parts that are most frustrating to me as a designer and developer. In Wix Studio, your media sits in media files. There are two major issues with how this works. First, Wix Studio doesn't give you the ability to replace an image file while keeping the exact same file name. WordPress honestly doesn't have this by default either, but free plugins like Enable Media Replace solve it, and this is truly a feature I can't live without as a designer. In Wix Studio, there's currently no option or plugin to do this. I share this in detail in another video. Second, let's look at alt tags, the alternative text attached to an image. In most media galleries, especially WordPress, you open the image and you see your file info and you fill out the alt tag right there. But in Wix Studio, it isn't there. Alt tags in Wix are added per instance instead. This is really frustrating because when you reuse pictures, you can't reuse the same alt tag across multiple pages. For example, right here, these images already exist on my website. I pulled them into a blog post, and while Wix gives me a green check mark for SEO settings, I now have to manually add alt tags for these 16 images, even though I already wrote alt tags for them when they were first uploaded to my site. Those alt tags only exist on the page where those images live. It's truly a frustrating quirk that you have to work around. In WordPress, the workaround for having to redo your alt tags every time is to always upload directly to your media library first, even when working at the post level. When you click an image in the library, you get the full file info, coding fields for alt text and titles, and access to replace media to upload new files. Best of all, that alt text follows the image everywhere on your site. Now, if you don't want an alt tag saved globally in the media library, uploading directly inside the post keeps that alt tag local to that specific page and leaves the library version blank. But for global consistency, always use the main library first. Happy designing. As always, what brought you joy today? Mine is the sound of the rain outside on the forest leaves.